There's 7 days left until Christmas, and I've got a special gift for all of you loyal fans. Yeah guys, today is the famous General Ugo.
What's up, guys? I'm opening this present right now. Oh god, no.
That's right, the special present is a collaboration with General Ugo. If you guys don't know who this guy is, well, he does a lot of stuff just like this. And he also slid into my DMs and challenged me to a Christmas build challenge. What are the rules?
The rules are simple.
The rules are simple. Number 1, it has to be a Christmas invention. Number 2, it's gotta be an invention. So like no non-inventions, you know? And rule number 3, no swearing. All right, so here's the plan for you guys. Let me give you the rundown. So using Christmas presents like this, we're gonna make a car that drives over to General Ugo's house all the way out in Idaho, burn his Christmas tree down, and then lay a string of lights on his floor to rub it in his face when we burn down his tree. So in the drawer right here, we've got all the stuff needed for a remote control flamethrower. Now this is just a remote control thing. We got the switch right here. So I'm gonna wire it so that this goes into a battery, and then you remotely control a valve, a solenoid valve, which releases a bunch of propane out of the front of this thing. And when the tree's on fire, there's gonna be a little compartment in the back here with a spooled up thing of Christmas lights, and the car's gonna drive straight and then roll a thing of lights. So right now it's 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. on Christmas Eve, and the plan did not go as planned. Oh yeah, also I have like 50 bullet points right here on the script because I did a lot of stuff and I have no idea what I did because I'm really tired right now. So first I took apart the remote switch right here, and then I connected this to the solenoid, but sadly it didn't work with the battery because of this thing right here. Here's the close-up. This thing was preventing the battery from working, and I could have fixed it, but I just did not feel like doing that. So then I tried plugging the solenoid directly into the wall, which I don't even know how I did that. I just did that for fun, and then it fried the thingy. It blew the fuse, that's what it did. Then I moved on to plan number 2. So I took the whole entire solenoid apart, rewired it to a Wi-Fi switch, but I forgot, where is it? I'll put it on screen. Whenever you turn a solenoid off, it sends a little spark backwards into the main circuits, and that will fry it if you don't have a diode, and I forgot the diode. So I ruined the Wi-Fi switch. And then I moved on to plan number 3. So I put an IR sensor, which is an infrared sensor, on an Arduino, but basically it kept saying random numbers for some reason, and I had no idea how to fix it. And then I gave up, and that's where we are right now. So here's plan number 4. I'm gonna get a second RC car and then use the motor wires as an input signal to the Arduino. And then that input signal is gonna run a code which spins a servo 65 degrees exactly to press a button, and that button's attached to a solenoid valve. And then I'm gonna rewire the whole solenoid again to make it really small and compact and able to click right in with the servo so that it's like one little compartment thing. And I have no idea if it's gonna work, but you guys do know if it's gonna work, because I'm editing all the building over this. So yeah, before we hop on the Discord call with General Ugo, let me show this thing off. There's also a small problem, it barely drives. It's so heavy. Ready to see this? So it's time for the flamethrower test. Oh yeah, guys, quick disclaimer. I'm 18, the cameraman's 18. All safety stuff is here, so don't take this down, YouTube. Everything's been checked by a professional. If there's an issue, we got a bucket of water there, so don't take this down. So like I said before, I don't have a pilot light on it, so I'm just gonna be doing it by hand. So I'll be like this, and then I'll step back. Also guys, if you're watching, please go subscribe to General Ugo, please guys. Oh, it just blows it out. Ah! Oh, did you get that? Ah! Ah! Luckily I had safety glasses on. See guys, that's why you gotta be 18 and stay safe when you're doing these things. Don't do it at home. Kids, if you're under 18. Let's give it one more test.
Like, keep it.
Oh yeah! Oh God! God damn it! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Everything's wet. This is like $200 of stuff. And the Arduino's gone. Oh. Yo, guys, I'm about to call up General Ugo, and I'm not excited to do this.
See the red light flash.
You ready? Brother.
Oh.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Random creations?
Yes, hold on, I gotta start screen recording. You have to set the mood.
Bro, you got cameraman Nick, I got cameraman Mason.
Yo, can you show us cameraman Mason?
He's not here.
Yeah, he's holding the camera right now, Nick.
Oh,
He's got a steady hand.
Yeah.
You killed a man!
Throw lightly, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Shit.
That tree is decorated.
Ha, you got pranked. That's not the real one.
Yeah.
Haha. Alright, I'm ready. Which one should I watch first? Commercial or RC test?
Commercial.
Hi there, I'm John Bojangles, and here I am to show you the incredible new Dinkler 9000, our newest in Christmas tree decorating technology. All you have to do is turn it on, press the switch, and watch as your tree is effortlessly decorated. Here we have our willing test subject to help us test it. Nonsense! We just stand still and prepare to be Christmas. Prepare to be Christmasized. It's just that easy! Christmassy! Thank you very much for your help, Mason. Now back to the basement with you. Call now and get your Dinkler 9000 today and never have to decorate again!
Alright, should I watch test now?
Yeah, the test isn't actually working.
Okay. Alright, Random Creations gang, we're gonna watch this now.
Here we have a sad, depressing, non-decorated tree, but with the use of the Dinkler 9000, that'll be fixed in a jiffy. Ah! It's working, Mason! Perfectly decorated Christmas trees! Every time! Now that your tree has been tinselified, what's the point without any ornaments? We got some in there, look! Oh man, perfect ornaments. Oh, perfect. Christmas tree every time.
Eventually it worked.
Hey, at least yours worked.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Good thing no one died. Thanks for watching. Bye.